guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about sheet masks and how they play an integral part in my skincare routine in order to keep my skin looking healthy and glowing. I will also be sharing 6 do's and 6 don'ts when it comes to using a sheet mask correctly. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. For this video, I'm going to be showing you guys and talking about one of my favorite sheet masks, and this is a new launch by L'Oreal Paris. This is the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence Treatment Mask. This is the only mask that has essence that penetrates 10 layers deep into your skin and gives brighter, crystal clear skin. Another plus about the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence Treatment Mask is that it holds so much essence that it keeps your skin feeling hydrated for up to 48 hours. Apply your sheet mask after you've cleansed and toned your skin. The essence will get absorbed better since your skin is already prepped for it. Don't apply it over makeup. Use clean and dry hands to remove and apply it to your face, so there's no transfer of bacteria from your hands to your skin. Don't wash off the essence and pat it into your skin gently. The essence needs to nourish your skin by getting absorbed well. Don't vigorously massage your skin, as this can cause premature wrinkles. Always be gentle on your skin. It's so thin, light and breathable. The product feels like sponge cotton and absorbs a lot of essence. The essence present in this mask is also water-like. If you're stacking your sheet masks vertically, then drop the packet a few times before removing it, just so that all the essence spreads well onto the sheet mask. Don't just remove the mask, because all the essence would drop down without being absorbed into the sheet mask, and you won't be maximizing on all the goodness of the essence. This sheet mask also does not drip even after having so much essence. Remove all the excess essence from the sheet mask and use it on your neck, knees, elbows and dry parts of your body. Don't throw the packet away without removing the excess essence. After applying the sheet mask, smoothen out all the creases and flatten it out till all the corners touch your skin, especially around the neck and chin area. That area is as important as your face. Don't let it have creases and gaps. This will create air pockets that will suck out the moisture from your skin instead of nourishing it. Leave your mask on for not more than 25 to 30 minutes. Don't sleep with it, because if the sheet mask dries, it will start absorbing all the essence by removing all the hydration from your skin. So this is how my skin looks right after I have removed my sheet mask. So I didn't rinse my skin off, and I applied a little bit of makeup so that I can show you guys how radiant, hydrated, bright and glowing my skin is looking with makeup. So the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence Treatment Mask is for all skin types. This is priced at Rs 150 per sheet mask, but you also get a box of 5, which will obviously be more economical and you will see consistent results with it. But in case you want to just try one pack out for the first time and see how amazing the results are, then you can do that. The link to this will be in the description box. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know which are the common mistakes you guys have made using a sheet mask. Let me know in the comment section below and let's chat. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Do not forget to hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye!